Oh no, I keep blowing and booming, busting everything. The issue is that you're not following a mechanical strategy. The strategy you're trying to trade has no definite stop loss or take profit. You're normally just guessing. You don't have a consistent R&R. You don't have a limit to anything. Let me fix all of that. Let me give you a mechanical strategy. Let me explain the psychology of everything. And then let me backtest to show you that it works. I also do this live Monday through Friday. I have so many backtest sessions. I have a mentorship where I teach strategy and only the strategy only. It's A++ setups that I go for and that I teach. So let's get on to it right now. Let's get rid of my face here so you can see more of the screen. Let's get into it. So this is you right here. You do so well, you do so good, you're here, you get comfortable, and then since you're comfortable, you come back down and you bust, you're frustrated, you're mad, all this fear because you were up here. So all that frustration brings you right back to succeeding again, right back to getting comfortable, and then failing again, and so on, so on. What we want is we want to be right in the middle at equilibrium, and it is earned and it is deserved because you have put in the effort to stay at equilibrium. Okay? How do we do this? The easiest way to achieve this is following a mechanical strategy, sticking to a mechanical strategy that you fully understand, and then being in a community that focuses only on the strategy. And then to top everything off, maybe even getting a mentor to help you master this. So let's get into it. It's gonna be real easy and be real quick so we can get to this back test already. We come down here and we look at price. You see these candles right here? Every pink candle, we come down. Every blue candle, we come up. So every single candle, we're just coming up and down continuously. All right. So given that you understand that, we can draw it out now. And every time price goes higher, also known as the word bullish, every time price goes higher, we come up and we create a swing high. We come down and create a swing low. So swing high, swing high, swing low, and so on. Even over here, swing high, swing low, so on. So we have our swing high, price comes up, comes down, takes the swing high. It's called a break of structure. BOS. So price comes up again, comes down, comes up, break of structure once again, crossing that line, and does it again, crossing this line, another break of structure, and so on and so on. Same thing happens to the downside. Price comes up, comes down, takes a swing low, break of structure, once again, break of structure, and so on and so on. It happens all day, every day. So now let's look at our pattern and let's look at our checklist. My strategy is called NNT. It's so simple. It's so easy. All we're looking for is a sweep. A sweep is no different than a break of structure of what you just learned. So with a swing high gets taken. We got a break of structure or a sweep. Then same thing happens to the downside. So this new swing high and the swing low that created the swing high are very important now. We create a zone within those swings. Then we want a break of structure after the tap. So price comes out, comes back in, taps the zone, and then breaks structure. So BOS, what we just learned. So break of structure after the tap. Our last requirement is we want price to reach 100% away. This is one SCDV. This just means 100% away. And 100% away means grabbing the zone, duplicating the zone, and seeing that the price is 100% away. So yes, it's 100% away. We then anticipate price to enter 50% of this red zone. Price is going to come back into here, fill me at 50%, and I would enter here. I would put my stop loss one tick above the zone and my take profit on the red line below. So price would come up, fill me at 50%, come back down, and hit my take profit. Now let's do it for a bullish example. So this is bearish, and bearish just means going down. Bullish example here, following all our steps. Swing low, swing low, swing high, swing high. So we see the sweep happen right here. Let's create a zone. Zone has been created. Let's make it green here. We then come back up. We tap the zone. We break structure after the tap. Price comes up. We want to make sure we're 100% away. So let's get our zone here. Make it 1 SCDV. Right here, this is a yellow line right here is 100% away. So that's checked. Let's make it my main box. But for the video, I'll make it green. Price is going to come down. Maybe tap a bit. And then fill us at 50%. And come back up and hit our take profit on this line right here. And our stop loss would be right here, 1 tick below. This is called NNT, and we're about to do our backtest session right now. Let's zoom out here. Let's fix our charts. Alrighty. Let me see if I gotta adjust anything. Nope, I think we're all good to go. Yep, alrighty. Let's press play here. I am backtesting December right now. There isn't any like amazing setups. Everything has been like mid, like low tier, low probability. Nothing has been good or clean. I have a mentee who right now is on 100% win rate in December, which is awesome. He's only been in the program for 15 days. He has 12 wins and 2 losses. And his losses were just due to him not paying attention, which is so awesome because they could have been avoided. But his stats really just show that when you get a good mentor, you can really succeed. So I only trade from 9:40 to 11 o'clock Central Time. I take a break for an hour and a half and I come back at it at 12:30 to 1:30 Central Time. I do this on my live streams on YouTube. You can see me perform. I'm trading the 5-second on NQ. Currently, I'm flipping accounts, so we're just doing 5 contracts each trade, just max size. This is my first time doing it with trailing drawdown intraday and not end of day. So we're going to see how it goes, but we're doing that on our live streams currently. So right now we're not seeing nothing. I only like to take A++ setups. There's no need to take lower probability at the moment. So realistically, how to recover from blowing your trading account is just sticking to a model and focusing on an A++ model and nothing else. So this is the only trades you're looking for. You limit your trades, you limit your size. There's nothing else holding you back. Most of psychology gets dealt with when you're just dealing with one strategy, and especially when you're in a community with others focusing on just on that one strategy. Let's skip a little bit through this. We're not getting nothing here. I don't see any setups. Yeah, we're getting nothing. Come on. If we get a break above this orange line with the 1 minute candle close, we can start looking for a bullish zone to take. Nope. Doesn't look like it's going to happen. Let's just keep it moving. I see a zone that's a magnet. I'm not interested in it. I don't think I'm going to take it, but I'll mark it out. Yeah, it's holding pretty strong. Let's see if we get something good here. There's something I have some interest in. I kind of like it. I want to take it. It's not really properly sweeping anything. I think I'm going to do it. Let's see our standard deviation here. No, I want a little bit more of a push there. We can get a bit of, we can break the structure right here. I'll take the trade. It'd be right here. Let's say we're going to break it. If we break it, I'll take it. Yep, I'll take the trade. Let's make this my main. Let's pause it so we don't miss it here. Making sure that everything's precise. So let's do this here. Let's do this below. Okay, the sweep is weak. I want a clear reaction before entering. So I want price to ideally come in and tap before we come in. And the tap doesn't need to go far out. I do want the tap. Let's see if we can just do this manually here. Okay, I want to tap here. Okay, and yes, that's what I wanted. Okay, I want to take this. I'm going to take it. If I get another third tap that's real strong, I'll take my order off and move on. I just need us to enter already. I'm tired of playing games here. If we tap from here, I'm going to take my order off. And my order's off. So I will not be taking this trade. That sucks. I really like this play. I wanted it. But unfortunately, we have to skip it because we got too many taps. And after 3 taps, after 1 SCDV, standard deviation, I don't like to take those trades because they're lower probability. But as you can see here, price came in, filled 50%, and hit take profit. That's so awesome. It would have worked out if I taken it, but too many taps for me. I'm not gonna gamble on it. It was too risky. And I was really expecting price to fail and take off. We're not taking off, we're just swimming, which is a little scary. Okay, so let's skip to the afternoon session here. This is where I would take a break. I would hop off the live stream, I'd take a break, and I would come back at 12:30 Central Time. So we're doing just that right now. We're almost there to 12:30. Getting there, we're getting there. And we're here. Right back in the session. Just doing a quick analysis on what I'm seeing here. That's gonna hold. What else? I think that's it, yeah. Price is pretty bullish. We had a strong resistance line up here. We haven't really touched it yet. I don't know why the 15-minute candle's bugging. It's saying that we did already. I don't see nothing at the moment. There's a bearish play, but it feels very counter trend. I'm not gonna risk this. Use it for direction though. Ooh, I do like this though. Oh, if it broke this structure, I would have liked it a lot. I really like these plays that tap late and break structure late. Yeah, this might just be... Here, I had this a little too early here. It's supposed to be 1:30. There's really nothing. Yeah, I don't see nothing. There's this right here. It's a little risky. I don't like it at all either, though. It's real sloppy. And we're still respecting this zone below. Yeah, I wouldn't have taken this. Take profit, though. Look at that. 50%. Take profit. I just didn't like any of this. I didn't like how we wicked. That was too gross. 1:30 is right here. Let's see if we get anything else. I don't think so. Yeah, nothing. Well, that concludes the session. So let's journal it. Skip a lot. Add icon. Okay. Then let me submit this to the journal. Honestly, I can do this. Done. All right. That concludes the session. If you have any questions, I'll put some videos up for you to click. I have a playlist, I live stream, I have Discord, mentorship that's like dirt cheap, and it's lifetime also. I have so much to offer. Just take advantage of it. And let me know if you have any questions. I love to help. I love mentoring. I love helping. And that's it. All right. Adios. Thanks for watching.